Types of farming. Farming can be classified into two main types. These are subsistence farming and commercial farming. Subsistence farming. This type of farming is practiced to meet the need of the farmer's family. Traditionally, low level of technology and household labor are used to produce on small output. Subsistence farming can be further classified as intensive subsistence and primitive subsistence farming. Incentive subsistence agriculture. In intensive subsistence agriculture, the farmer cultivates a small plot of land using simple tools and more labor. Rice is the main crop. Other crops include wheat, maize, pulses, oilseed. Primitive subsistence agriculture. Primitive subsistence agriculture includes shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. Shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation is practiced in the thickly forested areas of Amazon basin, tropical Africa, parts of Southeast Asia, and Northeast India. A plot of land is cleared by felling the trees and burning them. The ashes are then mixed with the soil and crops like maize, potatoes, and cassava are grown. After the soil loses its fertility, the land is abandoned and the cultivator moves to a new plot. Nomadic herding. Nomadic herding is practiced in the semi-arid and arid regions of Sahara, Central Asia, and some parts of India like Rajasthan and Jammu Kashmir. In this type of farming, herdsmen move from place to place with their animals for fodder and water along defined routes. This type of movement arises in response of climatic constraints and terrain. Sheep, camel, yak, and goat are most commonly reared. They provide milk, meat, wool, hides, and other products to the herders and their families. Commercial farming. In commercial farming, crops are grown and animals are reared for sale in market. The area cultivated and the amount of capital used is large. Most of the work is done by machines. Commercial farming includes commercial grain farming, mixed farming, and plantation agriculture. Commercial grain farming. In commercial grain farming, crops are grown for commercial purpose. Wheat, maize are common commercially grown grains. Major areas where commercial grain farming is practiced are temperate grassland of North America and Europe and Asia. Mixed farming. In mixed farming, the land is used for growing food and fodder, crops, and rearing livestock. It is practiced in Europe, Eastern USA, Argentina, Southeast Australia, New Zealand, and South Africa. Plantation. Plantation is a type of commercial farming where single crop of tea, coffee, sugarcane, cashew, rubber, banana, cotton are grown. Large amount of labor and capital are required. Major plantations are found in tropical regions of the world. Rubber in Malaysia, coffee in Brazil, tea in India and Sri Lanka are some examples.